Hi, this is Dr. Rubab Mirza, and today let's discuss some of the signs and symptoms that may indicate of a dental problem. Well, sometimes you experience bad breath, tooth sensitivity, and bleeding gums. This could be a sign of a periodontal disease. You need to visit your dentist to understand what best needs to be done to take care of this problem. Another sign or symptom that you may experience could be dental pain. Dental pain can be caused due to cavities, due to gum disease, an infection that is spreading deeper into the gums and the bone. Anytime you experience dental pain, then understand that the fix is a lot more complicated. That's the reason why we give a lot of importance to your 6-month dental visits, making sure that even before you reach the stage of pain, of sensitivity, of bleeding gums, we fix the problem when it is a much smaller issue. When you wait for a sign or symptom to occur, then understand that mostly the dental problem has gone way bigger than you would imagine.